Just got here, picking it up. All right, so what do we got? Got a bunch of paper, and then we got the magnet. It's a pretty cool box. It says Alpha Series on the top. Nice box, nice packaging. You can dig it. Okay. Can't wait to get out and use this. I had to work all day and I'm here late because well, I'm here late and it's gonna be dark soon, so I only got a bit of time. Oh, cool. So got some cool stickers like that. Nice stickers. Gonna put those in my truck box with all my other stickers. Tutorial, video access, basic setup. Got that. Oh wow, this thing looks awesome. Shiny. Yeah, this looks nice. It's nice and light. Kind of have some good weight to it though, so you could get a good toss on it. I like that Centurion logo. It looks nice and heavy duty, like it's not gonna fall apart. Nice looking magnet. Sorry if I'm dirty looking. I just got off work, like I said. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. And we got the hardware for it and whatnot. Oh shoot. Oh man. I might not even go to use this today because it'll probably be dark anyway by the time, but I also got to put the thread locker on it. I got some in my truck. Anyway, here's the other thing. 65 foot, 8mm braided rope. Nice bag. Oh wow. This is way better than the other kits that I've gotten. It's like heavy duty. Nice. Good rope. Feels nice and like it won't tangle. And yeah, this is a nice carabiner too. Gotta lock that so you don't lose your magnet. Oh wow. It's not magnetic either, which is a good thing. That was really annoying with one of my old magnets, is it used to drag on its side because this would stick to it. Well, it was not a clamp magnet, but it used to drag on its side because this would stick to it like that and pull it the wrong way. So that's whatever, but well, I'm gonna put this together and yeah, you will see me next time I'm out on the water.